Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix custom thumbnail problem on your YouTube. When you are uploading your YouTube videos or you are trying to upload thumbnail of your videos, then you are not be able to use the custom thumbnail option. Now in this video, I'm going to show you to fix the problem. First of all, you have to open your Google browser and you have to write here verify YouTube account. There you can see on the very first verify YouTube account Google Spot. You have to click on it, and there you can see all the options. Once you verify, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can add custom thumbnails, live stream. You have to just click on the to verify your channel. There you can see that your account is unverified. You have to verify your phone number first. There you can see once you add your phone number or your recovery email, your account will be verified. In this way you can verify your YouTube account and you can upload the custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.